Hi, my name is Pierre Lilly and I'm the founder of the Mastermind Plus program. Thank you very much for taking the Mastering Business Skills quiz. I hope you found it insightful and also valuable. I understand that growing a business is a challenging process with many moving parts. Mastering business skills is really crucial for success in any business today. As a business coach, I help business owners overcome challenges and improve areas such as marketing strategies, lead generation, team development, and also branding strategies. Additionally, I often assist business owners overcome isolation, which is not really uncommon. If you are interested in discussing your results and exploring how I can help you improve and grow your business, then I welcome you to an online chat. There is no obligation, but you can use the link below to book a suitable time for a chat with me. Cheers.